Welcome back to the channel. Today we visited Enterprise to pick up our vehicle of choice for the road trip. We chose a 2023 GMC Acadia Denali for the space and comfort that it'll give us on the trip. I'll be doing a packing video soon showing you just how much I could fit in and how much space was left over. I also wanted to give an update. I'll be using a dash cam, a body cam, and even a cell phone to give multiple perspectives of videos. And many videos will be coming out over the next few weeks. I'll be releasing videos while on the trip, but those videos will be in the form of a short few minutes of content at a time. Because in the end, I plan to make the most out of this trip. And it's hard to do that while recording and releasing content constantly. I'll be doing my best to cover as many of the rides and events as possible, but the majority of the uploads will take place after I get home and have time to get them posted and give you the best experience I know how. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, ring that bell icon for notifications, and until next time, get out and live your next adventure.